Welcome back to Alan's Trades, and I'm going to show how I've assembled the scratch-built factories. Every part of this model was made on a Cricut Maker 3 machine. The model is 00 scale and card is 1.5mm whiteboard and cut using the deep point blade. The left-hand wall has a cut-out base as rolling stock passes on an incline below these factories. The next step was to stabilise the 90-degree corners. I then fitted the rear wall and made sure that everything was square. I always fit the model in parts to make sure it looks correct in size and perspective. I then made the main factory frames coloured light blue and fitted the Scalescenes brick paper with Yoo-hoo glue. I then fitted the interior ceiling on the first building to support the roof trusses, and the rear wall supports were fitted using 1.5mm whiteboard. All window frames were cut in one cut on A4 page of sticky label paper. You can colour the frames prior to peeling, but this can make fine frames difficult to peel, then stick onto clear acetate. Here I've shown the first window frames fitted with the cut set at 0.5 mm. I then fitted all the frames to the windows and the base layer for the Scalescenes surfaces. The inner ceiling was then added to the main factory, and I used some paper trial roof trusses for sizes. As I wanted to move the building further along on the upper level, it meant that the corner of the building fouled on a bridge head, so I had to remove the corner of the building and alter the roof line. I've now fitted all of the trusses, and the first part of the roof is fitted on the right hand side. I've then added the roof with skylight openings. I'll drill holes in the inner ceiling to allow natural light to flow into selected bays within the factories to save on adding lighting afterwards. I then cut the roof on the office block to fit the main roof, and rather than try to cut this into the actual main roof, I then altered the roof on this particular building as shown here. At this point, all of the roof line is complete, and the next part, which I'll show in a separate video, involves the roof surfaces, the roof lights, and all of the exterior details. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you do have any questions, please add to the comments and I will get back to you with any answers.